This 2018 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 19SM is a travel trailer RV. It is located in St. Augustine, Florida, 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.